I am prepping my husband's breakfast. So it's an overnight chia seeds. So 2 tablespoons of this white chia seeds. I found a white one. That one, and I'm just gonna put milk through it and let it stay overnight in the fridge. And tomorrow in the morning, I'm gonna put maybe strawberry and apple in it, so that he will have. And then just pour, how much is this? $12 ounces of milk. Let's see if it's 12. Yeah, 12 ounces or 13 ounces of milk. And I'm gonna put stevia, 0 calorie. It's like a sugar thing. Alternative, 1 sachet of this stevia. Thanks to Irish Clunis from Italy. I'm gonna put 1. Because hubby wants it sweet. Just stir it. Then I'm gonna cover it. And that's his breakfast on the go tomorrow. So I'm cooking this, and some of this will be for hubby's lunch, and some of it will be for my lunch. I'm cooking it tonight and milk prep for tomorrow, so I don't need to I don't need to prepare anymore. So these are boiled potatoes that I seasoned and I fried it. This is for the preparation tomorrow for the lunch, pack lunch. And I'm just gonna fry this. The containers are all ready, so that tomorrow I will just put everything and assemble everything. And ito naman, piniprito ko yung tirang Shanghai na ginawa ni Jen. My friend made the Shanghai for Adnan's birthday, and there was a leftover, so I told her I'm just gonna use it. So we're going to check the chia. So I'm not going to cut the apple, I'm just gonna give it to him. But I'm gonna put some strawberry in the chia seeds. I'm gonna prep for now what I have for him. These are the potato, boiled potato, and boiled and fried, the Shanghai, and then this one. And be too much for him. And the Shanghai, and the chili sauce for his Shanghai, for the sausawan. He likes it. And of course, there's still cake, so he needs to bring, because I'm not eating cake that much. I'm not a sweet person. Especially the cake here is like almost no cake, like foam. And there. So these are his food for today. Today is Tuesday, so this will be it. Shanghai, that's meat roll, boiled potato and then fried. That's the cake. And then that's the meat that I made last night. So I just give him. And then this is the one piece of apple. And this is the overnight chia seeds. How do you pronounce it? But I think it's chia seeds with strawberry in it. This is the sweet chili sauce. And then 2 pieces of bread as he would always request. That's it for his breakfast meal prep.